Hey guys, we have here our Dodge Hornet, and in this video we want to explain to you how to remove the oil change message in the instrument cluster panel. So the first thing we have to do is take our foot off the brake or gas pedal, and then we are going to turn on the ignition just by pressing the start-stop button once, and then within the next 10 seconds we have to push the accelerator pedal all the way down slowly 3 times. So slowly pump it 3 times within 10 seconds, and then all we have to do is turn the vehicle back off, and that's pretty much it. So the next time we're going to start the engine, the warning for the oil change should be gone. And if this didn't work the first time, then just try it another time or a couple of times to really do it right. 3 times, pumping 3 times slowly within 10 seconds. And yeah, that was already it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.